so excited to be partnering with Mylio to show you guys how awesome this tool is for organizing your photos. Now, why Mylio is so cool is it allows you to organize all of your photos in one library that is accessible on all of your devices. So you can conveniently manage, edit, and have access to your photos from anywhere. And I love this because I love being able to go back in time and find old photos to repurpose for those Throwback Thursdays. Having them consistently synced across all of my devices is so cool. I've had so many photos that I've taken from various phones and cameras over the years, and I can have Mylio automatically import from various input sources like hard drives, computers, my iPad, my phone, my Mac, my PC. Let's do a little black and white. Click done. That was so fast. I mean, that automatically changed on my iPad and I just made that edit on my phone. Mylio will help you organize your collection with folders and albums and even face recognition, which is really cool. I know privacy is such a huge concern, but Mylio was built to keep your photos private and protected. And it's not a cloud-based storage because everything is kept local and synced directly to your own devices. So here's the app on my computer, and it's so cool because this basically is mirrored across everything. The calendar view is so cool. You can sort them by year, month, and when you click in, you can see them by day. Map view is also incredible. I love going in to see all of my memories from Hawaii because it's my favorite place. I love being able to sort by people. This is our little niece, Bryn. So I can basically watch her grow up from being a little baby to bigger baby. They also have some simple editing tools, so you can have some filters. So this was from probably, the file name was December 86, so I'm assuming that this is from 1986. So I'm gonna change this date, so it'll now be added to my calendar view in the right date. 1986, that photo has been tagged and added, and this is a really cool feature that you can do if you wanna scan in old family photos. I've been having the best time going back and just reliving so many old photos and memories. So I look forward to seeing what you guys think about Mylio.